Every step I take today started long before this morning. I learned to code, to think in systems, to solve problems that matter. Hands-on, real world, built for what's next. Guided by mentors, backed by quality education. Because the future doesn't begin after graduation, it begins with the right foundation. Choose NCF, College of Computer Studies.
Tara na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Tara na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Tara na sa Genesis Colleges, bitbitin mo na rin mga kaibigan mo. Aral na sa Genesis Colleges, sabay nating abutin mga pangarap mo. Abutin natin mga pangarap mo. Abutin natin mga pangarap mo.
Are you looking for quality healthcare education with hands-on experience to become future healthcare professional? Then your journey starts here. Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, the home of the next generation of healthcare professionals trained for excellence. Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, Bachelor of Science in Midwifery, Bachelor of Science in Biology, At CHS, students learn through state-of-the-art facilities, driven by artificial intelligence such as mini-hospital, nursing proficiency laboratory, medical library, and ORDR simulation rooms. Guided by expert clinical instructors, we provide quality education and hands-on training to prepare students for a successful future. Setting the standard as they are the first ever in Bicol to earn Level 3 re-accreditation. NCF College of Health Sciences, your premier choice in global healthcare education. NCF, affordable quality education. Your future starts here.
Ano nga ba ang go bag? Ito ay isang halimbawa ng go bag. Maring ito ay isang maging backpack, duffel bag, or sa pagkakataong ito, ang aking go bag ay isang dry bag. Ano nga ba ang laman ng aking go bag? Tubig, pagkain, at gamot. Hygiene kit. Meron pa ako ditong sabon, toothbrush, toothpaste, at shampoo. Flashlights and headlamps. Advisable na magdala po tayo ng power bank. Of course, your communication device, notebooks, and other documents. Duct tape and masking tape. Working gloves. First aid kit. At this moment po, naglagay po ako ng dalawang klaseng rope. Raincoat. Meron po ako ditong mirror. Extra batteries. Whistle. Ang layunin ng Bureau of Fire Protection ay ligtas na buhay at ari-arian. Sa muli po, ako ay si Fire Officer 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘚𝗏 from Bureau of Fire Protection, Naga City Fire Station na nagpapaalala, laging maging handa para ligtas sa sakuna.
The most awaited season of our seniors division is finally here, and of course, makakasama niyo po para kilalanin ang 10 seniors team. This is your guest commentator. I am 𝘕𝗓𝗏𝗔𝗟 at mamaya kikilalanin po natin ang 10 kupunan na kukumpleto para sa ating seniors division ngayong season na ito ng Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 8. Of course, mamaya makikita natin ang Amado Cope College, Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon, Computer Communication Development Institute, Holy Trinity College, Mariners Polytechnic College, Shepherdville Rams, 𝘕𝗏𝘕𝘓 University, Naga College Foundation, Universidad de Santa Isabel, and 𝘕𝗏𝘕𝘓 University. Kaya naman, para sa ating mga basketball fans na naghihintay dyan, tutok lamang po kayo dito sa live coverage ng Oragon Sports Action na mapapanood ng live sa ating official YouTube channel, GNTV-48Naga. At kung hindi naman po, diretso na kayo dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace dahil after ng opening natin ngayon, magkakaroon na po tayo agad ng 4 na laro. Kaya abangan nyo po dahil full pack ang ating Friday dahil holiday naman para sa mga supporters, fans ng ating mga kupunan. Pwede na po kayong pumunta dito sa UNC Sports Palace. And of course, these 10 teams magbabakbakan agad po. Kaya titignan natin kung sino nga ba ang mananalo at sino ang unang makakauwi ng kanilang panalo this Friday. Of course, we have our teams na maglalaban-laban po ngayong araw na to. Kaya titignan natin sino-sino nga ba ang makikilala natin at sino ang maglalaro ngayong araw na ito. Of course, Aabangan natin yan dahil ang mga kupunan na ito, merong mga graduate, meron mga nagstay, meron mga bagong players sa kada team na to. Kaya titingnan natin kung ano nga ba ang kanilang magiging chemistry, ang magiging talent inside the court. Dahil siguradong action-packed ang ibibigay sa atin ng 10 kupunan na to. Of course, katulad nga ng last season, siguradong talagang full action ang ibibigay ng ating mga kupunan. At sino nga ba ang magwawigi? Dahil sabi nga natin, bilog ang bola kung sinong nadalo last season. Nako, sigurado po ngayon na talagang hindi natin alam kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng panalo. Of course, again, 10 teams ang magkukumpete sa ating seniors basketball division ngayon. Kaya in just a few minutes, we are going to start our opening program. Kaya naman, dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports Action. Kasama pa rin si 𝘕𝘓𝗏𝗏. This is the opening ceremony of our seniors division dito sa Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 8. And we are back for the opening day of our Seniors Division dito sa Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 8. At ngayon, kikilalanin na po natin ang 10 kupunan na makakasama natin sa ating Seniors Division. Unahin na po natin all the way from the University or Universidad de Santa Isabel kasama ang ating courtside reporter na si Yuji.
The Heartbeat Collegiate Sport is back. What a fiery morning, Bucalistas. I am 𝘕𝘕𝘕𝘌𝘈𝘚𝘚 reporting sa Bicol kung saan kilala sila sa anghang. Ang Bukal Season 8 naman makikilala sa nag-aalab na bakbakan. Welcome to the Bukal Season 8 where legends are not born overnight. On the side of the USI Falcons, you can feel the tension, the excitement, the pressure, parang mixed emotion because nasa vocabulary nila ang redemption ngayon. Bounce back is literally back from the previous season of Bukal, the USI Falcons trying to clinch the crown but they fell short. But this time, we can see the soar high energy from the players to the coaching staff. Literal na ang taas ng lipad for their dreams na may uwi ang panalo sa Peña Francia Avenue, specifically sa Universidad de Santa Isabel. Sabi nga ni Coach Tope sa Real Talk, go hard na sa poon pa lang, and sa court, maski anong mangyari, mayong mapipikon. And ngayon, makakasama natin ang mastermind ang inaabang-abangan na coach for this season as si Coach 𝘕𝘕𝘕𝘕 with his team captain, 𝘕𝘕𝘕𝘕𝘕 So, good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
So, Coach, it's nice to see you back here in Bukal. Ano ang biggest difference ng Falcons this season compared sa previous season? Because of course, madami na nag-graduate, maraming dumagdag. Every season tells a different story and different journey. So, ano yung biggest difference ngayon ng Falcons?
Siguro mas ano kami ngayon, mas matured, mas ready kami mag-compete. So, mas palaban kami ngayon, mas composed. Kung ano man yung mga weaknesses namin last year, I think mas na-improve na namin yon. So, nandito kami ngayon this season to compete.
So, Coach, kung may Bukal Season 8 mantra ang Falcons, ano yon?
Yung mantra na dinadala namin ever since na hinawakan namin ni Coach Tope yung program, we play as one. We play as one.
So, of course, Coach, kilala si Coach Tope sa Real Talk. Para naman sa'yo, ano ang pinaka-challenging part na paghahanda for a new season?
Siyempre, maraming adjustments. Lahat ng team nagpalakas, lahat ng team ready. So, on our end, ginawa lang namin kung ano yung dapat, in-adjust namin kung ano yung dapat, and mas in-address namin kung ano yung mga weaknesses namin last season, then in-improve namin yung mga kailangan for this season.
So lastly, Coach, complete this sentence. This season, the Falcons are here to...
Whatever it takes, dominate.
So indeed, Bucalistas, yan yung aabangan natin for the USI Falcons. And no doubt for Coach Pops. And for this time, makakasama naman natin ang isa sa mga key player and team captain ng USI Falcons, si 𝘕𝘕𝘕𝘕𝘕𝘕 small forward. So, good morning, Cap.
Good morning po.
So Season 8 na, Captain, ready na ba kayo or mentally loading pa?
Ready na po kami.
So for this time, ano ang isang bagay na gustong patunayan ng Falcons this season?
Siguro po wala akong gusto patunayan, pero as a team po, gusto po namin patunayan na kaya po namin mag-compete ngayon. Mas matured po kami ngayon, mas ready kami ngayon, and isa lang po ang gusto namin patunayan kundi mag-champion po.
Kung i-rate nyo, kung prepared na kayo from 1 to 10, ilan yung rate man? Bakit?
10 po kasi last OBL after po noon lang kami nag-rest and nagtrabaho po ulit kami para this season.
So for you, Cap, complete this sentence. Hindi kami Falcons kung hindi
Kami family.
Wow naman. Last questions. One message to all the Falcons supporters, for your loved ones and for your family.
So sa mga supporters po ng Falcons, unang-una po nagpasalamat kami kay sisters sa USI community, and sa mga supporters po, supportahan niyo po kami this coming season 8. Gagawin po namin ng lahat, all out na po ito, and sa family ko and sa Hermanos All-Star and sa GF ko po, yun lang po, gagalingan po namin this season para sa USI Falcons.
Ayun nga, Bucalista, sa abangan natin ang USI Falcons for these seasons. And narinig natin from Coach Pop and from the team captain from 𝘕𝘕𝘕𝘕𝘕𝘕. And this is only the beginning. If this opening is any indications, the Falcons are ready to soar high, fight harder, and make this season one to remember. The Falcons have landed here at the University of Nueva Cáceres Gymnasiums. Now, let the season begin.
Thank you so much, Yuji. Iyan na nga po ang ating unang team dito sa ating Seniors Division, the USI Falcons. At nasabi nga dito ni Coach Jeffrey na redemption season nila. Alam naman natin, isa sa mga dark horse talaga ng Bukal itong USI Falcons. Dati underdog lang sila, pero ngayon isa na sa inaabangan, isa na sa kinatatakutan na team. Kaya naman titingnan natin ang kanilang magiging performance this season. And Of course, sabi nga dito ni Team Captain Lok, ready na sila para harapin ang 10 o 9 na kupunan na makikita nila dito sa ating Seniors Division ng Bukal. And now on the other side, meron naman tayo on the side of Mariners Blue Dolphins, pero aabangan pa natin yan mamaya. Pero sa ngayon, ano kaya ang masasabi ng ating mga fans on the side of USI Falcons? Ready na ba kayo dahil ang kupunan ng USI ay ready na? And now on the side of Mariners Blue Dolphins, we have our courtside reporter, Ira.
Rising morning, Bicolandia, from the deepest of the ocean to the hard court. The Mariners Blue Dolphins are here to dive in this year's Bukal Season 8 Seniors Division. And speaking of that, standing right beside me is Coach Tan, the head coach of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Coach, good morning. And Coach, we all know that everyone came here to win. And beside winning, Coach, ano yung gusto mong maging ng mga players mo this season?
Yung sabi ko lang sa mga players ko, gawin lang yung kung anong practice namin, execute lagi yung ginagawa namin sa practice, maglaro as a team. Kumbaga, huwag silang yung magsapawan ng laro, gatiwala ng bawat isa.
And Coach, how would you want the audience to react every time na maririnig nila ang basketball team from the Mariners?
Always naman lagi yung suporta ng Mariners community. Hindi naman sila nagsasawang sumuporta sa amin. Lalo-lalo yung president namin at si Boss 𝘊𝘐𝘕𝘕 Capistrano. Every time may games, lalo na pag college, yung suporta all out talaga sila.
Thank you, Coach. And once again, Coach Tan of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And now we are here with 𝘊𝘐𝘕𝘕, the team captain of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. First of all, good morning, and how confident you are sa lineup nyo this season, and ano yung naging reason nyo behind that lineup?
Confident na mas gagalingan namin, mas iigihan namin ngayong season 8. Kasi last season 7 is wala kaming panalo, kailangan namin bumawi ngayong Bukal season 8. Yun.
And matanong ko lang, how did you guys strengthen the bond knowing na may mga baguhan sa team?
May mga baguhan sa team, kailangan namin mag-adjust ngayon kasi kailangan maging okay ang chemistry namin ngayong tsaka maging respeto sa bawat isa.
And any message to the Mariners and to the whole basketball community?
Mariners Blue Dolphins, sana suportahan nyo kami ngayong Bukal season 8, and yun lang po.
Thank you, and once again, 𝘊𝘐𝘕𝘕, the team captain of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Ready to carry the anchor with a purpose and a dream, the Blue Dolphins will surely make the crowd proud. And of course, this is Ira Faye Avila, your courtside correspondent on the 8th season of Bukal, chasing greatness, defining history, here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiona. Back to you, Ma'am Tin.
Thank you so much, Ira. Yan naman po ang ating second team this season of Seniors Division, the Mariners Blue Dolphins. At ayon nga dito kay Coach Tan, yung isa sa mga preparation nila, strategies nila is sumunod lang sa utos and of course, trust each other inside the court. Kailangan nila yung communication, yung chemistry sa loob ng court para makagawa ng magandang play. And of course, isa din sa highlight dito ni Coach Tan yung suporta ng buong Mariners community na tuwing naglalaro sila ay andyan nakasuporta sa kanila. Kaya naman isang malaking bagay yon para mas pag-igihan nila na makakuha ng panalo. Dahil isa din to sa sinabi ni Team Captain 𝘊𝘐𝘕𝘕𝘕 na wala silang panalo last season. And now, on the side naman ng CCDI Wildcats, we have our courtside reporter, Clark.
What's up, Bukalistas? Today is another day to witness greatness and power only here on Bukal Season 8 Seniors Division. At para kilalanin ang ating competing team, makakasama natin ang CCDI Wildcats na galing pa all the way from Sorsogon. We will have Coach Jonathan Alibarbar and the player of CCDI Wildcats, walang iba kundi si Dave Hormones. Pero unahin muna natin si Coach Jonathan. Ayan, Coach, ano po yung nararamdaman ninyo na since nandito na ulit kayo sa ating hardcourt dito sa Bukal?
Masaya na nakabalik kami ngayong season 8 sa Bukal. Pag-iigihan namin yung taon.
Ayan, Coach, since ang last appearance ninyo was season 5 pa, ano yung specific reason kung bakit nagpahinga kayo for kahit ilang season?
Last season namin is season 5 siguro. Medyo kumulang kami sa mga players. Nagtiyaga kami mag-recruit, nagpalakas. Ngayong season 8, try namin ulit makabalik and then mag-perform ng maayos ngayong season 8.
Ayan, Coach, lastly, do you have any message or invite sa nanonood at sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa CCDI Wildcats?
Please support CCDI 𝘊𝘏𝘕𝘎 Sorsogon. Suportahan niyo po kami ngayong season 8 sa mga laro namin and yun lamang po.
Ayan, thank you so much, Coach. Ngayon naman ay makakasama natin ang player ng CCDI Wildcats, walang iba kundi si 𝘕𝘊𝘈𝘈𝘚𝘕. Ayan, once again, makakasama natin si 𝘕𝘊𝘈𝘈𝘚𝘕. Ayan, same question. Ano yung nararamdaman mo na since andito na ulit kayo sa ating Bukal Season 8 Hardcourt?
Siyempre po, sobrang saya and thankful po kay Lord na nakabalik kami po dito and sobrang excited po kasi nga nakabalik kami ngayong Season 8. Yun po.
Ayan, pwede ba naming malaman or kwentuhan mo naman kami kung meron ba kayong kinaharap na challenges or struggles sa inyong trainings during the off-season?
Siguro po yung commitment po ng yung kaming mga player po kasi po minsan po talaga hindi po kami nakapag-practice sa 1 week po, medyo 3 lang po siguro yun po yung commitment po ng bawat isa sa amin, yung member ng team ko po. Yun po.
Ayan, once again, do you have any message or invites sa pamilya mo and sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa CCDI Wildcats?
Sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa CCDI Wildcats, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na manood po sa bawat laro namin and sana po asahan po namin yung suporta niyo po. Yun po.
Ayan, thank you so much. Once again, there you have it. Bukalistas, the CCDI Wildcats are geared up and ready for the season. Abangan natin sila mamaya as they face the Mariners Blue Dolphins only here on Bukal Season 8, chasing greatness, defining history. And we are live here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Clark. Yan naman po ang ating pangatlong team, the CCDI Wildcats. Nasabi nga dito ni Coach Jonathan, yung last appearance pa ng kanilang kupunan is Season 5 pa. And mind you guys, ang CCDI Wildcats isa talaga sa mga pinakamagaling na team dito sa Bukal Season 8. At sabi nga dito ni Coach Jonathan, kinulang sa players, kailangan magpahinga at nagpalakas sila. So titignan natin yung absence nila ng 2 season, kung talagang nagpalakas sila dito. Isa ba sila sa mga teams na aabangan natin for this season of Bukal. Kaya naman, maraming salamat po sa nag-aantabay ngayong araw na to dito sa ating opening ng Bukal Season 8. And of course, 3 kupunan pa lamang po ang ating nakilala. We have the USI Falcons, we have the Mariners Blue Dolphins, and we also have the CCDI Wildcats. Meron pa tayong 7 kupunan na alamin natin kung ano ba yung mga strategies nila, yung mga plano nila for this season of Bukal. Kaya naman, kahit hindi pa nagsisimula ang ating laban mamaya po, dahil I think 11:30 magkakaroon na po tayo ng 4 na laban. Kaya naman, titingnan po natin kung sino-sino ang magtatapatan sa ating unang araw ng Seniors Division. We have the Annunciation Panthers versus the CCDI Wildcats. O nako, maglalaban na po sila agad mamaya po yung 11:30 a.m. We also have the HTCCS or the Golden Eagles and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. We also have 3 p.m. mamaya, isa sa mga inaabangan po nating laban. We have the NCF Tigers versus the ACC Green Serpents. And for our last game, it's the UNC Greyhounds versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. Of course, live na live po yan dito sa Oragon Sports Action and dito po sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace. Kaya para sa mga fans po ng ating mga kupunan, bisita na po kayo dito dahil siguradong action-pack ang ating makikita maya-maya lamang po. Pero ito balikan lang po natin yung mga pinag-usapan natin doon sa ating unang 3 teams. We have first the USI Falcons na sinabi nga dito ni Coach Jeffrey, this is their redemption season. Kaya gustong-gusto nilang makuha ang panalo this season of Bukal. And also, mas matured, mas ready at mas palaban po ang makikita nating USI Falcons. Dahil kitang-kita naman yan dahil doon sa kanilang last tournament which is the OBL, sila yung nag-champion. Talagang grabe yung in-improve ng USI Falcons. Of course, sabi naman dito ni jersey number 13, the team captain of USI Falcons, they are ready to conquer the stage, to conquer the court laban sa siyam na kupunan. While on the other side, we have the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Isa dito sa mga in-emphasize ni Coach Tan na kailangan lang sumunod and of course, tiwala sa kada players and of course, tiwala sa coaching staff ng Mariners Blue Dolphins. And mas iigihan nila ngayong season dahil sinabi dito ni Team Captain 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘕, wala silang naging panalo during that last season 7 ng Bukal. Kaya naman ngayon titingnan natin, iingatan natin at papanoorin natin kung magkakaroon nga ba ng panalo ang Mariners Blue Dolphins for this season of Bukal. And now, ready na on the other side, dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Babalik po ang ating courtside reporter na si Ira.
Rise and shine, Bicolandia. Handa na ang court, buhay na ang crowd at handang-handa na ang Ateneo Golden Knights para sa panibagong bakbakan dito sa Bukal Season 8. But before we officially begin this battle, I'm with the head coach of the Ateneo Golden Knights, Coach Luigi Naguna. Coach, kumusta naman, Coach?
Okay naman po, okay naman.
Coach, coming into this new season, ano yung naging strategies nyo para maging okay yung team chemistry ng Ateneo Golden Knights?
We have started practices since January pa. Maraming struggle pero araw-araw naman kami nagtitrain to find the new system and ang mga bago ang mga coaches staff namin.
Coach, coming into this new season, is there something that the Golden Knights want to show compared to the previous season?
Well, compared to the last season and to this season, our teams are composed of first year and second year colleges. Kaya mga first time magka-college sila and talagang mga rookies and sophomore halos ang mga nasa team namin. And kaunti na lang ang mga nasa seniors.
Now, Coach, parang grabe yung energy kanina ng Ateneo Golden Knights. What do you think contributes to the energy today?
Well, inspired sila kasi first time nila most of them are first timer na maglalaro sa seniors. They played in the juniors but now they're now in seniors. It's a new challenge sa kanila. And yung mga seniors namin and extra motivated sila kasi sila na yung mga bagong leader ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Yes, Coach. Now, do you have any message for the supporters or the Ateneo community na nanonood ngayon Bukal Season 8?
Yes po, please support Ateneo Golden Knights. Later this afternoon po, we will be facing the UNC Greyhounds. It's gonna be a Naga Clasico. It's a good rival and it's a good start na maglalaro ang Ateneo at saka UNC sa Seniors Division mamayang hapon. Please support po and please wear blue.
Yeah, and please wear blue. Thank you so much, Coach Luigi. Now, we are here with the team captain of the Ateneo Golden Knights, Team Captain Clark Allen Puerta. Clark, kumusta naman?
Okay naman po. We're happy na andito kami and grateful kami na binigyan ulit kami ng opportunities na makalaro dito sa Bukal.
Now, let's start with the team mindset, Clark. Kumusta naman yung Ateneo Golden Knights and ano yung nafe-feel nila right now, especially the opening of the Bukal Season 8 Seniors Division?
Yan nga, we're grateful sa opportunities and at rebuilding team din. Madami kaming gustong patunayan this season and sana ma-achieve din namin to sa last part ng Bukal.
Now, Clark, ano yung mga paulit-ulit na reminders or paalala ni Coach Luigi sa training para maging lock-in talaga kayo this season?
Coach always remind us to know your purpose and embrace your roles, especially yan nga, as a rebuilding team, madami kaming gustong i-achieve ngayon and patunayan na hindi lang kami basta-basta ngayon season.
Now, meron ka bang message sa mga supporters or the Ateneo community na nanonood ng live ngayon?
Please support us sa mga laro namin and thank you for always watching our games. And sana, ayan, we expect na andito kayo lagi.
Thank you so much, Clark, and truly good luck sa game ninyo mamaya. And there you have it, Bicolandia. Handang-handa na ang Ateneo Golden Knights sa panibagong bakbakan ngayong Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Once again, this is 𝘕𝘍𝘕𝘎, your courtside correspondent for Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History.
Thank you so much. That's our courtside reporter, Ira Villar. Okay lang yan dahil parehong maganda ang ating courtside reporter na sina Ira. And now, sabi nga dito ni Coach Luigi on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights, since January pa sila nagtitraining, ganun kalala ang kanilang preparation for this Bukal Season 8. Dahil nga mga first-time rookies ang kanilang mga players dito, pero excited at inspired ang mga players na to dahil dati na silang naglalaro sa juniors basketball pero ngayon first time nila maglalaro para sa seniors division, kaya titingnan natin kung sino-sino nga ba yung mga players na yan ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And of course, according naman dito kay coach or kay team captain Clark, kailangan alam mo yung purpose mo. Dahil ang basketball, hindi lang siya physical, kundi mental battle din siya dito. Kaya naman aabangan natin kung anong bang gagawin ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya naman, on the other side, ready na rin ang ating courtside reporter on the side of Shepherdville Rams. We have Daniela.
Maraming salamat din. Marhay na aga, Bucalistas! Welcome to the Seniors Division opening of the Bukal Season 8 Basketball Tournament. 10 teams, 1 court, 1 championship on the line, all chasing greatness but united by one goal, to make their way to the finals and earn the right to be called the season's champion. And as the competition officially begins, we are getting an early look at one of the teams ready to make their mark this season, the Shepherdville Rams. And right now, makakasama natin ang head coach ng Rams na si Coach Awe Federis, kasama ang kanilang team captain na si Anton James Pareha para malaman kung ano ang mga bagong hatid ng Rams this season at kung ano ang dapat abangan ng mga Bucalistas once they hit the court. So hello Coach Awe. Coach, good morning po. Entering Season 8, ano po ang mga adjustments or improvements na ginawa ng Rams coming into this season, and what can we expect to see from the team once the game begins?
Good morning everyone. Nagkaroon kami ng mga series of camps, nagkaroon kami ng summer preparation. Although yung past season medyo pangit yung result sa amin, pero ginawa naman namin yung best. Pero series of tune-up games, and then yung nakafocus talaga kami when it comes to offense and defense, most especially. Tapos talaga kinap namin yung mga players. Hindi pa nag-start yung school year ngayon, kinuha na namin yung players, in-house namin, mga benchmarking kami sa iba't ibang school. Lahat ng possible adjustment ginawa namin. As in talaga, sobra. Kasi ang target namin ngayon, although lahat naman ng teams dito is ang target talaga yung championship, best possibility na magkaroon kami ng magandang result ngayong season na to.
Okay, thank you so much, Coach Awe. Talagang dapat abangan nga no ang SVC Rams this season. Thank you so much, Coach. And hello, James. Para sa'yo, ano ang pinaka nagbago sa Rams compared last season, and how do you think that will help the team this year?
So for me po, ang nagbago lang sa amin is ang aming sistema and mindsetting po sa paglalaro, and makakatulong yun sa amin para maganda ang aming mapakita dito sa Season 8 na to.
So is there a particular team or matchup that you're looking forward this season naman?
So for me po, wala naman, kasi gusto lang namin dito mag-compete, mapakita ang aming kakayanan and ma-prove po namin sa aming dalang school.
And lastly, if you could give one message to your teammates before the season officially begins, ano yon?
So sa aming mga teammates is bigay lang natin ang ating 100%, ang ating lahat ng effort, and para maganda ang bunga ng ating paglaro dito sa Season 8.
Thank you so much, and good luck for your Season 8 journey. And there you have it, Bucalistas. New season, new mission, new battles, new ambition. The Shepherdville Rams are ready to make their presence felt as the Seniors Division officially tips off. 10 teams will battle, only one will rise, reign, and claim the crown. The chase starts now, and the Rams are ready to run it. This is Daniela Razon reporting live for the Shepherdville Rams only here at the Bukal Facebook page, GNTV-48 and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon para sa Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Daniela. Yan na nga po ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Sabi dito ni Coach Awe na talagang grabe yung preparation nila. Nagkaroon sila ng summer preparation dahil last season hindi naging maganda yung kanilang standing during that season. Kaya naman isa ang kanilang target ngayon. Actually, lahat ng teams isa ang target kundi ang championship. Kaya titingnan natin kung yun nga ba ang makukuha ng Shepherdville Rams for the season of Bukal. At sabi nga dito ni Coach Awe, mas nag-focus sila sa kanilang offense and defense at kanilang mga players ngayon talagang andun na yung mindset na kailangan ready sila kapag pumasok sa loob ng court. And now, to hear an update on the side naman ng ating defending champion naman, 𝘍𝘐 College, we have our courtside reporter, Dylan.
Good morning, Ten, and good morning, Bicolanja. I am your courtside correspondent, Dylan Talagtag. At ang kasama ko ngayon, ang 𝘍𝘐 College from Tabaco Albay, the ACC Green Serpent. So, Coach, good morning. So, Coach Dong Rodriguez, since defending champion tayo last season, and nagbago rin yung lineup natin ngayong season, is there any adjustment or improvement natin ngayon?
Sa amin, same pa rin yung ginagawa namin, focus lang sa practice, lalo na ngayon may nag-graduate kami, 4 yung nag-graduate, lalo na yung mga veterano ko yung talagang dumadala. Ang kinagandahan lang ngayon sa lineup ko ngayon, kung sino yung mga nasa senior high ko, halos yun ang pupunta na rin sa college, nasa lineup ko ngayon. Halos 8 out of 15 players galing sa senior high school program namin. Thankful din kami kasi nagbubunga din yung senior high school program namin, naiangat namin sa college namin. Yun ang parang isa sa mga naging adjustment namin na di mahirap masyado bunuin yung sistema kasi sanay na rin yung mga senior high ko sa sistema na gusto ng mga para sa college.
So, sir, another question. Ano ba yung palagi mong sinasabi or motivation sa players natin for this season?
Palagi kong sinasabi sa kanila, unang-una, palaging isipin nila na disiplina, unang-una. Pangalawa, sabi ko sa kanila, tiwalaan lang ang kada isa, isa't isa, tsaka most importantly, sabi ko sa kanila, ang basketball, sabi ko, gamitin natin para makapagtapos kayo ng pag-aaral. Lalong-lalo na sabi ko, di naman panghabang buhay ang basketball, although ginagamit natin para mabigyan tayo ng pag-asa para makatapos ng pag-aaral. Yun naman ang gusto namin ng program. Gusto namin yung mga player namin, nakikita namin, di lang sa basketball nag-grow, at the same time, pagkatapos ng basketball, gusto namin, professional sila.
Thank you, Coach, and good luck po for this season. And again, makakasama pa natin ang isa sa players ng ACC Green Serpents, ang team captain na si Prince Charles Abiera. So, good morning. So, how does it feel na nasa season 8 na tayo?
Enjoy na lang siguro namin yung moment na to. Yun lang.
So, ano ba yung adjustment mo, ikaw mismo as a player for this season?
Siyempre, ngayon, parang kuya na nila ako. Hindi ko kailangan lalo na sa practice namin, dapat mas all out kami, mga kuya. Hindi namin kailangan na magpakita ng kung kahinaan ba. Dahil parang kami ang ginagaya nila. Kaya dapat all out lang kami palagi lalo na sa practice. Yun lang.
So, another question. Ano ba yung tumatak sa'yo talaga na advice ni Coach para dito sa Bukal Season 8?
Siguro, play the system lang. Yun lang, dahil yun lang naman yung palagi namin ginagawa, na i-run lang yung system namin and magandang execution, lalo sa offense, tas defense, hustle lang palagi. Yun lang po.
Lastly, message sa lahat ng supporters ng ACC Green Serpents.
Sa mga supporters ng ACC, lalo ACC community, thank you. Tapos kay Sir Jeff na laging nandiyan sa amin, si Sir Art, lalo sa family ko na laging nakasuporta,
kay LJ, and sa girlfriend ko. Thank you. Kay Althea. Yun lang.
Thank you and good luck for this season. So there you have it, Tin. The ACC Green Serpents are now ready to defend and fight for the championship here in Bukal Season 8, chasing greatness, defining history. Balik sa iyo, Tin.
Thank you so much, Dylan. Ayan nga ang ating defending champion na ACC Green Serpents. And sabi nga dito ni Coach Dong, same lang yung kanilang mindset dito, focus sa kanilang mga practice, most especially ngayon dahil may 4 na graduate at mga veterans pa. Kaya naman malaking changes ito sa ACC Green Serpents. So titingnan natin kung makaka-apekto ba ito sa kanilang performance for the season of Bukal. At isa pa sa highlight dito ni Coach Dong na kailangan ng disiplina at tiwala sa kada players. And we also have the team captain Prince Charles. Nasabi niya nga i-enjoy lang po nila ang kanilang moment dito sa season ng Bukal. Kaya naman exciting ang ating lineup for the seniors division ng Bukal Season 8. Hindi natin alam sino ang aangat, sinong mananalo. Kaya naman abang-abang lamang po kayo. Again, live na live po tayo sa Facebook page Oragon Sports Action and Bukal Facebook page, and of course sa ating YouTube channel na GNTV-Naga. Kaya naman para sa ating mga basketball fans na dyan, tutok lamang po kayo dahil opening day na ng ating seniors division. At kung hindi naman, malapit lang po kayo dito, bisita na po kayo sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace. And now, ready na ang ating next courtside reporter. We have Danica on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
Good morning! Here we are at the UNC Sports Palace where it is sunny and we can see everyone's faces live here for the opening of an exhilarating, riveting, and breathtaking showdown of the Bukal Season 8 Seniors Division. Firing up the court with the grips of the UNC Greyhounds, we have Coach Miggy Perez. Coach Miggy, I hope you're having a great morning. For my question, Coach Miggy, what can we expect from your team this season?
What you can expect from our team this season is more confidence since we're the host, and then a more mature team since yung mga bata from the previous season, starting from season 5 when I first started coaching in Bukal, nag-mature na sila today, up to this date. So expect a more mature team was more prepared compared to the previous seasons.
Yan, kailangan natin itong i-look forward. Following that question, Coach, may we know what are the instructions or lessons that you've instilled upon your players in order to advance further this season?
First and foremost, since the season is about to kick off, I told them to remain consistent, both in their academics and in basketball. Since we're in the season, so they're going to get busy. Especially that we have first-year students who are still adjusting to the school, who are still adjusting to the culture, and of course the academic standard of UNC, they're still adjusting. So my lesson for them was to stay consistent, and then for my seniors to take the lead for the rookies and also for the young athletes that we have right now.
Thank you so much, Coach. Before we move on to our player, Coach, do you have any messages para sa ating mananonood this live?
I'm inviting everyone, every school who's participating in this tournament to watch and support Bukal for this season. Thank you.
And thank you so much, Coach. Now, we can proceed with our vanguard of the UNC Greyhounds, Adrian Bachancela. Hello, Adrian. Good morning po.
Good morning po.
Morning. So my question for today, since it is the opening of the Season 8 Seniors Division, anong nararamdaman mo? Do you feel nervous, excited, or a fiery spirit for this season?
Of course, I feel pressure, and of course, at the same time, nandun po yung fighting spirit ko. Since I'm 4th year na po kasi, and di pa rin po kami nakakapasok ng finals or the championship stage. And expect nyo po sa team namin na more matured compared last season.
Matured and seasoned. Adrian, kayang-kaya bang kunin ng UNC Greyhounds ang tropeyo ng Bukal Season 8?
I confidently say Yes po, kasi as mentioned earlier na mas matured po yung team namin ngayong season.
Thank you so much, Adrian. That is our vanguard and that is our UNC team, Greyhounds. Ayan talagang nakakabagbag ng damdamin ang preparasyon ng UNC Greyhounds. Ating masusubaybayan ang mga ito live here on GNTV-48 o Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon. This is 𝘕𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗟 serving you with truth, glory, and magnificence only here at Bukal Season 8, chasing greatness, defining history. That's it for the latest updates. Tin, back to you.
Thank you so much, Danica, on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Sabi nga dito ni Coach Miggy, mas confident sila dahil sila ang host school. And isa din yon sa makakapagbigay ng tiwala sa kanilang mga players. At sabi pa niya dito, more matured players yung meron sila dito at mas prepared sila compared last season. Kaya titignan natin kung ano nga bang performance ang ipapakita ng kupunan na ito. And consistent yung kailangan nila. Consistency is the key, hindi lang sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, kundi sa lahat ng team na magpa-participate for this season of Bukal. And according naman dito kay Adrian Batiansala, one of the key players of UNC Greyhounds, mas nafe-feel nila ngayon yung pressured, most especially to him, na siya na po ay fourth year college na ngayon at isa sa mga goal nila ngayon dito ay makuha ang panalo. And now on the side of HTCCS Golden Eagles, we have our courtside reporter, Julie.
Good morning, Vocalistas. This is Juliana Gaporpolotan, live na live to keep the action alive here at the UNC Sports Palace. And speaking of live action, kasama ko ngayon ang head coach ng Holy Trinity College na si Coach 𝘊𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘕. So Coach, kumusta naman po? Anong nararamdaman mo ngayong umaga?
Ito, very excited kasi this actually the first time of the school, of the Holy Trinity College of Camarines to participate in this kind of sports festivity.
Alright, so if there is one thing, Coach, that your team focused on improving for this season, ano po yun?
Actually, developmental tong team na to. So, our focus now is to learn, to experience this kind of competition kasi meron kaming mga league na kumbaga we are participating and for your participation na kumbaga yun ang medyo bibigyan namin ng kumbaga pansin.
Ano naman po yung mindset ng inyong koponan coming into this new season?
Since nga baguhan pa lang kami, so ang mindset talaga namin is to kumbaga experience this tournament and also syempre yun valuable experience na madala namin in our future endeavors dito sa sports na to.
So in 3 words, how are you going to describe your team?
Actually our motto, non nobis solum or not for ourselves alone.
Okay. And finally, Coach, sa lahat ng nanonood, do you have any message?
Yun po, inibitan ko po ang lahat ng mga technicians, Golden Eagles o ang community ng Holy Trinity College of 𝘕𝘕 na to support our team dito. This is a historic event na nakapasok po sa ganitong liga ang ating school, ang ating team. And siyempre, lahat ng taga-Rinconada, our lone representative. So yun, pakisuporta po and thank you very much po. See you soon.
Maraming salamat. Thank you very much, Coach. There you have it, Vocalistas. Watch out because the Golden Eagles of Bato are now ready to spread their wings as they soar into another season, bringing with them fresh goals, renewed determination, and the hunger to compete. Only here on Bukal Season 8, chasing greatness, defining history.
Thank you so much, Julie, on the side of Golden Eagles. Sabi nga dito ni Coach Ruwen, first time lang nila magkukompete dito sa Bukal, kaya naman they are here to learn, to experience na pwede pa nilang magamit sa iba pang liga na kanilang pinaglalaroan. At isang magandang eksperyensya nga po talaga ang makapaglaro dito sa Bukal. Kaya naman, hihintayin natin kung ano bang klaseng performance at aksyon ang ihahatid sa atin ng HTCCS Golden Eagles na galing pa sa Bato, Camarines Sur. Kaya naman ready na rin ang kanilang mga fans para ibigay ang kanilang full support sa ating Golden Eagles. And now to hear an update on the side naman ng NCF Tigers, we have our courtside reporter, Jane.
Hello Dean and good morning Vocalistas. Kasama ko ngayon here on the floor ang isa sa mga people from the home of the champions, Coach Brian Ayo. Hello Coach, how are you today?
Hello ma'am, good morning po.
Coach, alam natin na medyo pangit yung naging weather lately, no? Medyo naging maulan dito sa Naga. Would you say na naka-apekto po sa trainings nila ang weather disturbances?
Actually, somehow it affects, pero we have adjust naman sa weather. So sometimes we do improvised practices para makontinue lang namin yung preparation namin for this season 8 ng Bukal.
Coach, di ba given naman yun na pag physically, trainings, practice, ngayon, paano mo sila tinitrain mentally naman?
For mental aspect, I talk to them, yung expectation, yung goal namin, and we value yung spiritual side nila kasi we know at all else fails, we ask guidance sa taas. Kaya yun, yung mental preparation namin doesn't start before the game or a night before. It starts within the season. Start pa lang ng season namin, nag-start na kami ng mental preparation.
With that, Coach, sino po ang gusto mong pasalamatan ngayon na magsa-start na ang Season 8 ng ating seniors?
I would like to thank God sa opportunity na given naman sa amin na to coach and play for Bukal Season 8, and to the NCF community, especially kay Sir Mario Villanueva, kay Coach Wesley Villanueva, kay Sir June Villanueva, kay Ma'am Ulaso, kay Sir Bing, and sa lahat ng NCF Tigers community and administration sa support na binibigay sa amin and sa mga players.
Thank you so much, Coach, and good luck po for today. There you have it, Bukalistas. That was Coach Brian Ayo from the home of the champions, Naga College Foundation. At ito naman, kasama ko na ngayon ang ating team captain, 𝘕𝘏𝘕𝘍. Hello, Andre! Kumusta?
Okay lang po.
Okay, looking at the current standing ngayon ng Cubs natin, di ba? Papanood mo naman, right? As their senior, as their kuya, gaano ka-proud or ka-happy seeing them excel in every performance here in Bukal?
Una-una po, proud na proud kami sa kanila, and pangalawa po, maganda to sa kanila, and ganda ng start po nila, 4-0 po sila ngayon, and sana po magtuloy-tuloy pa sila, and higit sa lahat, sana mahawa po nila kami. Yun lang po.
Okay. I'm sure curious din ang mga viewers natin. What was inside your head last night bago ka matulog?
Sa akin lang po, unang-una po, sa last training pa lang namin kahapon, nag-mindset na kami. Hanggang sa akin po, bago ako matulog, nag-mindset na din ako. And isa lahat po, nag-pray lang po ako, humingi po ako ng tulong kay God na sana mag-guide niya kami sa laro namin, first game namin ngayon. Yun lang po.
Pero wait, ang last one for me, kanina bago kayo pakababa ninyo sa vehicle ninyo, lahat kami napawaw because of your outfit. Let me ask you, ano ang inspiration nyo for your outfit today?
Siguro po, ang nag-decide po talaga nito yung mga management po namin, sila Coach Wesley po. And siguro po, para lang po sa akin, siguro binabalik lang po nila yung kultura namin na yung mga nauna pa po sa amin, yung mga seniors po namin, batch po nila, Ujula nila, Kuya Fredson po, yun lang po.
Well, that's a nice outfit today, Andre. Thank you so much and good luck for this game. There you have it, Bukalistas. Again, that was Coach Brian Ayo and the team captain of the Naga College Foundation, 𝘕𝘏𝘕𝘍. Mamaya at exactly 3 p.m. mapapanood na natin silang makipagbakbakan against the ACC Green Serpents. Kaya naman, abangan nyo lang, Bukalistas. This is Jane Daluro from the Tigers. Tin?
Thank you so much, Jane. Ayan nga, ready din ang ating NCF Tigers dito. Sinabi ni Coach Brian na kahit despite the weather nitong mga nakaraang araw, meron silang mga improvised practices para lang malagyan nila ng puwang yung kanilang mga practices dito. Kaya titinan natin kung nakatulong nga ba yun para sa kanilang preparation for this battle sa Season 8. And of course, kahit yung mga players, nag-pray na sila, naghanda na sila. And now, to hear an update on the side naman ng Annunciation Bacon Sorsogon, we have our courtside reporter back at it again, Eugene.
Good day, Bukalistas around Bicol and beyond. I am 𝘕𝘕𝘓𝘓, your courtside correspondent for Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon. From Bukal Season 7 hanggang sa pagharap nila ngayon sa mas malawak at mas matinding competition, ibang-iba na ang Panthers ngayon. Mas matatag, mas gutom sa panalo at mas handang ipakita na hindi sila dito para lang sumali from the land of Sorsogon. Nandito sila para magmarka for Bukal Season 8 stage. And ngayon, makasama natin ang most awaited coach, Brian and team captain 𝘕𝘍𝘕𝘓 Jr., shooting guard, and they're ready to bounce back. So ngayon, kasama natin si Coach, ang mastermind ng Annunciation Panthers. So good morning, Coach.
Good morning po. Sa karangalan po.
So, of course, Coach, it's nice to see you back here in Bukal stage. Ano ang biggest difference ng Panthers this season compared sa previous season? Because, of course, marami tayong mga students or marami tayong mga athletes na nag-graduate na, and this time, ano naman yung ibubuga ngayon ng Panthers?
Siguro po, mas gutom kami, mas bata kami, pero mas disiplinado at mas gutom kami. Mapapakita namin yung pinagandaan namin talaga yung bawat laban.
So, Coach, kung may Bukal Season 8 mantra ang Panthers, ano yon?
Siguro yung mantra namin is grateful, forever grateful kami. So kahit anong challenges, privilege yun para sa amin. So patuloy namin harapin kahit anong laban.
So Coach, when it comes to challenges, ano yung pinaka-challenging part ng paghahanda nyo for this Season 8?
Siguro yung challenging part is puro bata kami. And then puro lahat is rookie. Kaya challenge namin yun. Lalo na sa akin as a coach dahil syempre pag hindi experienced yung bata is pwedeng pero dahil nga sa gabay ko and then sa tulong-tulong ng mga bata is feeling ko maaabot namin.
And last, Coach, what is your message for the Annunciation Panthers supporters and community?
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa president namin, kay Ma'am Jean, kay Ma'am Beth, sa lahat po ng mga kay Ma'am Sonia, sa lahat po ng tumutulong po sa Annunciation po at sa mga suporta nyo po. Patuloy nyo po kami suportahan at abangan. Ibibigay po namin lahat po ng best po namin and sa mga bata po. Shoutout po sa lahat.
And salamat, Coach. And Bukalistas, there you have it, Coach Marca. And for this time, makakasama naman natin ang team captain na si 𝘕𝘓𝘕𝘓 Jr., shooting guide. So good morning. Kamusta ka naman for this time?
Ayos lang po.
So, Captain, ready na ba kayo or mentally loading pa?
Ready na po kami. Papakita po namin yung best lang namin po.
So kung i-rate kung gaano kayo ka-prepared and ready from 1 to 10, ilan yun and bakit?
Siguro po, papakita lang namin yung best namin, laro lang namin yung laro namin, tsaka papakita namin sa buong Sorsogon kasi Sorsogon din po yung kalaban namin. Siguro, yung preparation namin para doon lang po.
So Cap, ano ang isang bagay na gusto mong patunayan ng Panthers this Season 8?
Ano po?
Ano ang gusto mong patunayan ng Panthers this Season 8?
Siguro po, papakita po namin sa kanila papakita namin sa kanila na sa buong Sorsogon po na kasi Sorsogon po yung kalaban namin, papakita lang namin na ang best namin. Siguro marami po kami pag-uusapan at adjustment, yun lang po namin team. Yun lang.
So for this time naman, complete this sentence, hindi kami Annunciation Panthers kung hindi kami
mananalo po, yun lang po.
So what is your message for the Annunciation Panthers community out there and for the Sorsogon community out there to support you?
Unang-una po, pasalamat po kami sa Annunciation community tsaka kala Coach Ryan sa walang pagsasama magtuturo po. Ano po.
And there you have it, Bukalistas, kasama natin ang team captain na si 𝘕𝘓𝘕𝘓. And Panthers, be ready and pack up because you will be the next champion as fast as Panthers. Hindi lang ito laro, isa itong patunay ng kanilang disiplina at paniniwala sa isa't isa. Rookies pa lang sila from Sorsogon to here in Naga, it's not their problem. Kaya naman later, we will witness again their triumphs to take this to the first wins against and back to you, Tin.
Thank you so much, Yuji, on your report on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Sinabi nga dito ni Coach Brian, mas disiplinado sila ngayon for this season. And of course, sabi nga nila, isa sa mga challenges ng kanilang kupunan na puro rookies ang kanilang mga players ngayon. Pero sa gabay ni Coach Brian, magagawa nila ng paraan. And of course, yan na po ang ating 10 team dito sa ating seniors basketball. Kaya naman aabangan natin ang kanilang mga laro. Pero don't go away dahil opening day na. Maya-maya lamang yan only here on Dragon Sports Action and GNTV-Naga.
the UNC Band and Majorists. For the official start of Bukal Season 8 Chasing Greatness, defining history, we welcome the arrival of the University of Nueva Cáceres Band and Majorists. We are witnessing the rhythm and precision of the University of Nueva Cáceres Band and Majorists. Ladies and gentlemen, the official flag of the Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. Please welcome the arrival of our first team this season, the Armando Cope College. Witnessing the arrival of our first team for this season. We have the Armando Cope College. Thank you so much, Armando Cope College. Ladies, gentlemen, and everyone in between and beyond, let's welcome and make some noise for the Annunciation College of Baclaran, Sorsogon. Thank you so much, Panthers. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Computer Communication Development Institute. Witnessing the arrival of our blue and white team, the Computer Communication Development Institute. Thank you so much, CCDI Wildcats. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for the Holy Trinity College. We are now witnessing the arrival of our team all the way from Batu Camarines Sur. We have the Holy Trinity College. Maraming salamat to our Golden Eagles. Here comes the Blue Dolphins. Please welcome the Mariners Polytechnic College Foundation. We are witnessing the arrival of our Blue Dolphins, the Mariners Polytechnic College Foundation. Maraming salamat, Blue Dolphins. At this juncture, let's hear it for our senior rounds, welcoming the Shepherdville College. We are now witnessing the arrival of our Shepherdville College senior rounds. this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, show your spirit for the blue and gold, welcoming the 𝘕𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗟 University. We are now witnessing the arrival of our 𝘕𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗟 University Golden Knights. Thank you so much to our 𝘕𝗨𝗖𝗔𝗟 Golden Knights. At this juncture, bring the energy for the home of the champions, welcoming the Naga College Foundation. We are now witnessing the arrival of the home of the champions, the Naga College Foundation. Maraming salamat, NCF Tigers. Now give some energy and high-flying energy to our Falcons. Please welcome to Universidad de Santa Isabel. Once again, we are witnessing the USI Falcons. Maraming salamat, USI Falcons. And completing our 10 teams for the Bukal Season 8 Seniors Division, we welcome, representing our home court, we have the University of Nueva Cáceres. Once again, we are witnessing the UNC Greyhounds. Thank you so much, UNC Greyhounds. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, let us now witness the arrival of our distinguished Bukal board members. Starting with our Bukal President, Mr. Miguel Gustavo M. Perez. Bukal Board Member, UNC, Mr. Francisco Para Jr. ADNU Bukal Member, Mr. Joseph Plano, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, Mr. Ruel Rosales, Mr. Dwight Lamet, our Commissioner, Mr. Peter Barcelon, Tournament Manager, Mr. Jose Maria Calantria, Student Volunteers Coordinator, Mr. Brian Nashanseno, our Execom Secretariat, Ms. Kyla Caupo, our Student Volunteers President, Ms. Sheila May Garcia, together with our guest of honor this morning. Palapakan po natin, none other than kasama natin for Bukal Season 8 Seniors Division, we have Mr. 𝘕𝗏𝗓𝗓. A round of applause, please. Now welcoming the core volunteers of Bukal Season 8, acknowledging the arrival of our Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League student volunteers. We are now witnessing our courtside reporters, commentators, medics, logistics, caterers, and statisticians, together with our Bukal Student Volunteers President, Ms. Sheila Garcia, and of course, our Student Volunteer Coordinator, we have Mr. Brian Nashanseno. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman natin our BSV, our Bukal Student Volunteers, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat, Bukal Student Volunteers, and of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our Bukal board members. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, and we would like to thank the UNC Band and Majorettes. Maraming salamat. Look at the passion, the pride, and the electrifying energy filling the UNC Sports Palace. To our incredible athletes, hard-working coaches, dedicated school administrators, and the distinguished Bukal Board of Officers, welcome. Your commitment and vision are the very backbone of this league, keeping the spirit of regional sportsmanship alive and thriving year after year. For 8 seasons, Bukal has been more than just a tournament. It is the proving ground for Bicolano grit, resilience, and heart in Bicol basketball. And of course, it isn't just a game we play. It is a story we write with every drop of sweat on this hard court. Every dive for a loose ball, every clutch shot, and every play represents the heart of a Bicolano athlete who refuses to back down. Today, you are not just stepping onto the court. You are stepping into a legacy. You are here to answer a call, to chase greatness and define history. I will be your host for this morning. My name is host Amanda C. Lazaro and one of the courtside reporters of Bukal Season 8. And just like every single player standing on this court, today I am ready to chase greatness. Bicolania, pwede ba kaming makarinig ng isang masigabong palakpakan as we welcome you to Bukal Season 8 Chasing Greatness, Defining History. To signify the official start of our games and spark the flame of true sportsmanship, please direct your attention. Center court for the torch lighting ceremony led by none other than, palapakan po natin, Mr. Prince Charles Abiera. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bukal Season 8 Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Maraming salamat, Prince Charles Abiera. At this juncture, may we request everyone to please rise for our solemn invocation to be led by 𝘕𝘕 to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem by the UNC Band.
May I ask everyone to please stand, spend a moment of silence. We all pray in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Let us first reflect, unite our minds and hearts, and call upon the Almighty, the Creator, and the source of all strength. Almighty Creator, we thank you for the gift of life and for bringing us together for the opening of Bukal Season 8 tournament. We are grateful for this opportunity to celebrate friendship, unity, and our shared love for the game. We ask for your blessings upon this tournament and everyone taking part in it. Watch over our players, coaches, officials, volunteers, sponsors, parents, and spectators. Keep us safe from injury and harm, and guide us to compete with honesty, respect, discipline, and true sportsmanship. Bless the efforts and sacrifice for every athlete. May we use our talents to inspire others, honor our shared values through our actions, and always strive for excellence with humility. We also pray for the Bukal organization. Continue to guide its leader as they promote sports development and strengthen our communities throughout the Bicol region. As we embrace this season's theme, Chasing Greatness, Defining History, remind us that true greatness is found not only in winning, but in the values we live by, the friendships we build, and the respect we show one another. May this tournament bring out the best in us and inspire us to become better athletes, become better teammates, and better people. In your holy and universal name, we pray. Amen.
To formally open our doors and extend a warm Bicolano welcome to all our participating institutions athletes, and fans, let us put our hands together for the welcome message. Palakpakan po natin, we have Engineer 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘈 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘚. A round of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone. First, I acknowledge the presence of various representatives from the different schools, the board, local board, and the volunteers, participating schools. So good morning to everyone. On behalf of the administration of the entire community of the University of 𝘍𝘐𝘕𝘍, it is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome you all to our campus for the grand opening of the Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League Basketball Tournament Season 8 Senior Division. Hosting this milestone season is an immense source of pride for UNC, particularly as we honor the vision and unity of Bucal's 4 founding institutions, 𝘕𝗓𝘓 University, Naga College Foundation, Universidad de Santa Isabel, and the University of 𝘍𝘓𝘐𝘕𝘍. Together, our pioneering schools establish a tradition anchored on athletic development, discipline, and healthy regional rivalry. And we are thrilled to open our doors to celebrate this enduring legacy today. An athletic undertaking of this scale requires tremendous planning, collaboration, and executive leadership. We extend our deepest gratitude to the Bucal Board under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Miguel Perez for their tireless commitment to elevating collegiate sports in the Bicol region year after year. We are likewise thrilled and deeply honored to welcome our distinguished guest, Mr. 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘚. 𝘕𝘏, your presence here today serves as a tremendous inspiration to our young players, reminding them of dedication, toughness, and professionalism required to perform at the highest levels of the sport. To our senior division student athletes, as you take to the hardwood representing your beloved institutions, play with uncompromising passion, integrity, and respect. Let every possession showcase not just your physical talent, but the highest standards of sportsmanship and character that our universities uphold. May the season yield remarkable moments, valuable life lessons, and stronger bonds across our academic community. Again, on behalf of the University of 𝘍𝘍𝘐𝘕𝘍, we welcome you all to Bucal Season 8. Thank you and good morning.
Maraming salamat, Engineer 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘈𝘚 𝘕𝘏𝘈𝘚𝘚, maraming salamat, sir. At this juncture, we request all of our players to please remain standing at the center hard court of the UNC Sports Palace. Tayo po tayo, dear players. And please go back to your positions. At this juncture, let us give one more energetic salute to our 10 fierce seniors division contingents and the Bucal Board of Officers who make this league possible. Let's give all our delegations and leaders a massive round of applause. As I call the name of your institution, we request the entire delegation or the entire team, our athletes, coaches, and school representatives to please stand, be recognized, and make some noise. Kapag natawag po ang inyong kupunan, pwede po kayong pumalakpak at sumigaw para po makilala po natin ang ating iba't ibang kupunan for the Bukal Season 8, Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Now let's check the energy and of course, let's present the teams for Bukal Season 8 Seniors Division. Let's hear it first for the Amando Copec College. Representing Sorsogon, we have here the Annunciation College of Bacon, Sorsogon. Making their presence felt, palapakan po natin, we have the Computer Communication Development Institute. Rise and shine. We have here for Bukal Season 8, the Holy Trinity College. Set sail for glory. We have the Mariners Polytechnic College Foundation. Standing tall, we have the Shepherdville College Senior Rounds. The Blue and Gold Pride, we have the 𝘊𝘐𝘕𝘓 University. Bringing the loudest roar this season, we have the Naga College Foundation. Loud and proud, we have the Universidad de Santa Isabel. And of course, completing our 10 contingents for Bukal Season 8. From the home court, we have the University of Nueva Cáceres. And of course, now, behind every great league is a group of visionary leaders who made this event and the grand stage possible. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome and acknowledge the Bukal Board of Officers, starting with our Bukal President, Mr. Miguel Gustavo Perez. Our Bukal Board Member, UNC, Mr. Francisco Para Jr. Bukal Board Member from the 𝘊𝘐𝘕𝘓 University, Mr. Joseph Eric Claro. Our NCF Board Member, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva. Our NCF Board Member, Mr. Ruel Rosales. Our USI Board Member, Mr. Dwight Lamet. Presenting our Commissioner for Bukal Season 8, Mr. Peter Barcelon. Our Tournament Manager, Mr. Jose Macalandria. Our Student Volunteers Coordinator, Mr. Brian Nashanseno. Our Hexagon Secretariat, Miss Kyla Gaupo. And our Bukal Student Volunteers President, Miss Sheila T. Garcia. Thank you so much for all your unwavering leadership and support for Bicolano athletes. Maraming salamat to the dedication of our Bukal board members, athletes, coaches. Thank you so much. At this juncture, Victory without integrity is no victory at all. True champions are defined not just by their talent. To lead us, our student athletes, in their solemn pledge of fair play and the true sportsmanship, please welcome for the athletes' oath, we have, please welcome Mr. 𝘕𝘨𝗔𝗟 𝗦𝗚𝘚𝗐𝘕𝘎.
May I request my fellow athletes to please remain standing and raise your right hand and heartily repeat after me. I, 𝘕𝘨𝗔𝗟, representing my team in the Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League, do hereby solemnly swear to abide by, adhere to, and uphold all the rules, regulations, and agreements set forth by the organizers of this tournament. As competitor in this league, I promise to play with the highest standards of discipline and sportsmanship. Whether we win or lose, what matters most is how I conduct myself and play the game in the spirit of unity, peace, and community fellowship with my fellow athletes. I therefore declare to preserve its sportsmanship and values of a true athlete in thought, in word, and in deed, for the glory of the sports and for the honor of my team. So help me God.
Thank you so much, Mr. 𝘕𝘨𝗔𝗟, for leading the athletes' oath. Behind every great team is a leader who guides, mentors, and shapes the character of their players on and off the court. To lead our hard-working coaches and team officials in their pledge of integrity, leadership, and fair play, please welcome our tournament manager, Mr. 𝘍𝑚𝗏𝗏𝗓𝗏, for the coach's oath. A round of applause, please.
Good morning. May I ask my fellow coaches, please, can you please raise your right hand and repeat after me? In the name of all coaches taking part in this tournament, I pledge that we will coach with utmost respect for the dignity of athletes, organizers, and opponents. I pledge to carry out our responsibilities with integrity, honesty, and fair play. I dedicate myself to the true essence of sports and honor by participating in this tournament. I am giving back to the sport that inspired me. I'm committed to guiding my athletes to aim high, to strive for excellence, and to reach their fullest potential, both on and off the court, in pursuit of greatness and true sportsmanship. So help us God. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Mr. 𝘍𝑚𝗏𝗏𝗓𝗏, for leading the coach's oath for Bicol Season 8. At this juncture, to share words of wisdom and fire up our competitive spirit, we're honored to welcome a true giant of Philippine basketball. Before turning pro, he sharpened his craft playing NCAA Division I basketball for the Hawaii Rainbow Warriors and made his mark locally in Liga Pilipinas. Selected second overall in the 2008 PBA draft, his lethal three-point shooting and rare defensive versatility made him a cornerstone for every franchise he represented. In his rookie year, he was selected for the RP National Training Pool under Coach Yang Biao, went on to earn a PBA All-Star spot, was named the 2010 PBA Blitz Game MVP, and built a legendary championship pedigree, winning a staggering 9 PBA championships across iconic runs with the Talk and Text Dynasty, Meralco Bulls, and Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Following his retirement from professional basketball, our guest transitioned into entrepreneurship and now leads a portfolio for companies across artificial intelligence, video games, and sports media. His ventures span blockchain, sports data, and predictive weather intelligence, while his media company continues to expand Let It Fly into a multi-platform sports brand. Ladies, gentlemen, and Bukal Season 8 athletes, show your passion and a massive, high-energy Bukal welcome to our PBA icon, 9-time champion, none other than Mr. 𝘕𝗓𝗓.
Jeez, wow, that was an introduction, man. That's anytime when someone tries to give you compliments, it feels awful. You have to hear something like that. It just feel really cringy. But you guys, this is a message to the players. You know, I am very excited for this season, and I could feel it. I could see it in your guys' faces. You guys best believe I'm gonna be watching all you guys play for this whole season, and just a message that I want to give you guys. And maybe you hear this one too many times from old adults like us, is to really cherish these days that you have. The pain, the suffering of going to practice and conditioning, the wins, the losses, the brotherhood that you guys are going to be creating. Some of these friendships, they're going to be lasting your whole life from this. So don't take this for granted, you guys. If you're here, be here. Put in the time. Put in the work. This goes a lot faster than you could ever imagine. Trust me. I had a 20-year career in the PBA, and it felt like it was over before I knew it. So with that being said, I just want to open my door to you guys. Just reach out to me on any of my platforms if you guys want to talk, ask me anything. I'm an open door to anyone. Please reach out if you guys have any questions, but more importantly, I want to wish you the best of luck this upcoming season. We're all going to be watching, and I want to see some amazing things from all you guys. So thank you very much, you guys. Let's have a great season.
Thank you so much, Mr. 𝘕𝗓𝗓. One of the highlights of Mr. 𝘕𝗓𝗓's message: cherish the days that you have players, the challenges, hardship, and of course, the brotherhood. Sabi ni Mr. 𝘕𝗓𝗓, don't take this for granted. Maraming salamat, palapakan natin our guest of honor once again, our PBA 9-time champion, Mr. 𝘕𝗓𝗓. Thank you so much for reminding us what it truly takes to chase greatness and to define history. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for, to officially declare the opening of the Bukal Season 8 Chasing Greatness, Defining History Seniors Men Basketball. Please welcome the President of 𝘍𝘐𝘚, Mr. Miguel Gustavo Perez.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. The University of 𝘕𝗫𝘊𝘈 proudly welcomes all participating schools, coaches, athletes, and officials of the Bukal Season 8 Seniors Division Basketball Tournament. As we open this season, let us come together in the spirit of competition, sportsmanship, and camaraderie as we chase greatness and define history through every game, every play, and every moment on the court. And now, with the power vested in me, I hereby declare the Bukal Season 8 Seniors Division Basketball Tournament officially open. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our Bukal President, Mr. Miguel Gustavo Perez. As our Bukal Season 8 is now officially open, we come now to the presentation of the plaque of appreciation to our guest speaker for Bukal Season 8 Seniors Division. Allow me first to read the citation. Plaque of appreciation in sincere appreciation and grateful recognition of your invaluable contribution as guest speaker during the Bukal Season 8 Seniors Division opening ceremony held at the UNC Sports Palace on August 21, 2026. Your inspiring message, exemplary leadership, and unwavering commitment to the values of excellence, discipline, sportsmanship, and perseverance have made a lasting impact on our young athletes and the entire Bukal community. Presented this 21st of August 2026 at the University of Nueva Cáceres Sports Palace, City of Naga, Philippines. Signed by the President of Bukal, Mr. Miguel Gustavo M. Perez. This plaque of appreciation is presented to none other than our guest speaker, Mr. 𝘕𝗓𝗓. We request our board members for the photo opportunity. Once again, palakpakan naman po natin Mr. 𝘕𝗓𝗓. There you have it, Bicolandia. Bukal Season 8 is officially open. To our 10 teams, this is a fresh start for everyone. All the hard work, early morning practices, and sacrifices have brought you here to this hard court. Today, the game begins, and the stage is yours. Show everyone what you can do. Sportsmanship and true essence of basketball. As you step onto the hard court, always remember the real meaning of basketball. It is not just about winning or marking big plays. It's about respect, teamwork, and playing with pure heart. Give your best in every second of the game. Lift each other up and always play with honor. The court is ready and the energy is alive. Once again, I am your host, Amanda C. Lazaro, signing off for our opening ceremonies. Enjoy the games. Cheer loud for your teams, and let's make the season unforgettable. Once again, Bicolandia, welcome to Bukal Season 8 Chasing Greatness, Defining History. Diyos Mabalos.